Sleeping on board your boat can be a fun, relaxing experience. But once the thermostat hits 90 degrees, your kids, your pups, or spouse can get really cranky, which takes all the fun out of boating. With the right offshore power system in your boat, you can explore new locations and still turn on the AC to ensure you get a good night's sleep. Our EVO Inverter chargers were designed to handle situations just like this. With its 300% surge capacity, it can handle heavy power loads such as an air conditioner, refrigerator, or blender, the most important items when out on the water for extended periods of time. What makes an inverter charger different from a power inverter? It's a 3-in-1 device that combines a pure sine wave DC to AC power inverter, adaptive battery charger, and a built-in transfer switch. Once installed, this will become the central hub for the whole power system. In a marina, when you plug into shore power, the inverter is going to charge your batteries and run your AC appliances. If you're out exploring or have anchored for the day, it senses that there is no shore power available and will automatically switch to using your batteries to power those same AC devices. The EVO Inverter chargers are the powerhouse of our product lineup. With its robust design and wide temperature operating range, it can handle extreme weather and rough boating conditions. It has 2 AC connections, one for shore power and one for a secondary AC source, such as an onboard generator. It also has a built-in dual transfer switch, so there's no need to manually switch from shore power to generator. These are ABYC certified as well as UL 458 certified with the Marine Supplement. They have conformally coated circuit boards, so they will stand up to corrosion and all aspects of the marine environment. This charger is fully customizable, so it will work with both lithium batteries as well as lead acid batteries. One of the biggest differentiators with our EVO series is the additional DC solar input that we have on all units. The advantage for the installer with this is that they can wire the solar system from the charge controller directly into the EVO, saving time and centralizing the power system around the EVO. This reduces the power requirement from the AC source for charging batteries and allows for more power to be available to the load when the sun is shining. Pair the inverter charger with our intelligent EVO RC Plus remote to monitor and program all of the functionalities of the inverter charger. It can accept up to a 32 gigabyte SD card to capture data. This allows you to monitor power consumption, inverter functionality, battery charging activity, faults, and the conditions leading up to them. If you ever run into issues, you can just upload the SD card to your computer and have our tech team troubleshoot the problem for you online. If you have any questions about our EVO inverter chargers or any of our other power products, you can visit our website or call us directly. Thanks for stopping by, and happy cruising.